Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we're going to start the project, the electrical project which we planned. Yeah. So today maybe you can consider this part 1 of the project. Our aim would be to complete this whole project, electrical project. We're going to do we're going to start from the lighting fixtures, room size, not room sizing, what is this, lighting. Okay, we're going to create a schedule, how many lighting fixtures to be in a room based on the standard. Okay, we're going to learn how to connect them. We're going to learn a lot of things in this project. So I think we can just consider this as trailer of this project. Trailer, yeah, I already considered trailer. So this will be part 1 of the story. Okay, we're going to show you how to create lighting fixtures slowly, step by step. We're going to learn. Okay, and one more thing, a couple of days back, one of my students asked me, John, is it possible if you can create a MATLAB class? MATLAB is a software. Okay, MATLAB is a software MATLAB is a software which is used for engineers. He is actually an electrical engineer. He asked me if I could do a MATLAB course. Okay, so maybe most probably I would be switching my time and say not time, my free time, leisure time, in making a Revit course for electrical, Revit electrical. Okay, and what is it? And MATLAB. Okay. So that's the story for today. We're going to start from next class. We're going to start from scratch, linking the architectural model, from there placing components, blah 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 blah. Okay, so I look forward to seeing all of you in the next class, in the class moving forward onwards. Okay, so take care, and I think that's it for today. Take care. Bye.